All right, here's a quick video of the chamber and barrel of this 300. What the hell is that? I'll mop it out again. Here's our throat 300 hammer. And, oh, I got a little bit of copper still there. I was going to say I got all the copper out, but there's just a little bit right there. As we go down the barrel, you see I got it all out down here. I did not brush this at all. This is entirely patches with patch out. And I'm spinning around as I'm going down. Pretty clean. I'm really happy with this solvent. It's the first I've used it here last week or so. I ran an oil patch down after I cleaned it to nullify. Should be approaching the muzzle, where I'm happy to say there was 0 copper. There's our muzzle. 0 copper fouling. Try and go all the way around here. Difficult. This is corded. Sorry. But it looks really, really, really good. Anyway, there we go. So I was going to say I'd completely clean, but it looks like I did a little bit of copper still right there. You can see it on top of those lands. But we're good. We're going to try another load, see what we get.